her soul or her body wall or none of them something there for certain things. So she just relax. How about that?
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Yes, people, you don't know now. Media Fox, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up everybody, you don't know. We come for talk about music, people. Because, I don't know. We're going to call out Jada Kingdom today. See? Because I don't really know. I don't know what really are going on with our people. To be honest, I don't know what she want out of music or what. You understand? Because when you look on certain things, see? Jada Kingdom is a good artist, you know. Good vocals, everything. But it's like, she complain a lot. She watch other artists. She, rather than focusing on her work, focusing on her fans, she prefer complain and complain with other artists and all of these things. Is what I'm trying to say? Because I don't know if you wonder people. In a dancehall right now, you realize that you don't have much dancehall female artists that dominate. Like that. Because, and when you check it to people, dancehall female artists, they're not really that united or, you know, they're not really that united. Like how you'd have few male dancehall artists who do couple collab together. So if you realize that that's very limited in a dancehall. You understand? And you kind of realize that, yo, the ego is very high when it comes to female dancehall artists. You see me? Because them just feel like
need
say,
you
yo,
subscribe.
Need nobody or yo, me I do way big and all of them look something there. You see me? So not much because artists like Jada Kingdom where she would do her live, you know, she did on Twitch a couple times and you know she play games and every little thing, but what she's doing wrong, you know, she did sign and them drop her label and thing, you see me? So it's like she keep on a complain and one bag of thing. You see me? Because mostly the male them in a dancehall mostly are really dominate the real way. Cause you have like an artist like Spice, she do her thing, but you know, you don't know she do run cartel, so you know that a girl she does in a moment of a different person right now. You don't know Macadam and you have D Angel, you have a couple artists, Pampute, you have Shania Muir, you understand? You have a couple of them, but nobody not really a game. You know you have Shensia too. You know our label just drop her the other day. You see me look like seems like she not run Romish no more. So it's like I don't know. Female dancehall artists them. I don't know what really are going. You know, I don't know if they don't really know what they want or you see me or them watch each other too much rather than just focusing on feed them thing. You understand? But people really want to know listen this. Zane, listen what Jada have to say.
Suckers who support who them support and then just stuck on that. Nobody can tell them nothing. And I love that. Come here, my people them too, and that's all that matters. You understand? You don't rush. Whoever wants me in a rush, they take my time. I take my time. Can I talk about one album? Drop album for a flop. Drop album for a flop. What you mean by? What me I rush over the album for? After I see you do my co-worker them, I support them with the single and rare as them drop the album. Look at the sales. She thinks she don't go busting now. Look at me. Mima. Crazy. You must wake up crazy. You wake up crazy this morning. So I'm going to kill you with single till you know we are going to kill you with one song and EP. You're crazy. Unless one real somewhere a groundbreaking track that really make the charts, I really do a certain thing. I can say, yeah, remember, I can drop a local album or so or you don't know rush. I'm not going to stop. I don't know rush for that. I don't know this already. Collab with a big rapper for no go say, watch it. She will want me. Freda Uno.
Yeah, people. So basically, she did on a live, and this is one of the things we kind of make her think. You know, she in the media and you know the boyfriend, the engagement drama and all of them look something there. You don't know she and Steph London they do a little clash and thing, and you know she come on the media and she talk. I realize she love company media address, which that not really good as an artist. You kind of adrift the people and really for your music. You see me? Sometimes if you just stay low key and just go on produce some music, go on send out some music, rather than company media and complain and talk this and way. So basically with the video a while ago, people, Zine, she say, yo, why the people them are fans, you know? This is our fans, you know? Why them are ask for album. Because if she say I wanna want to know what album to go flop, some me say your fans are asking you when you're going to drop an album, a project. Remember, you know, this is not you or your mind saying it, you know, these are your fans and the like.
I need you to
So
subscribe.
when you go drop an album, there's a reason why them ask. Maybe them say, yo, you need to drop an album so we can support it. She I go say, well, you want the album to flop. I say, why? It's like every time you look on her, she talk, it's like she not confident in herself. Like she a watch other people things, other people project. Because she's a good artist. You understand? She's a good artist, people, but sometimes I feel like she not confident in her work. What she do. You understand? So it's like when she put out her music, rather than keep on doing it, if she do get a little failure, she just take it and beat her own self. You understand? Because if your fan asks your album, no say if you want the if I want them want the album go flop when they are the ones asking you that you don't know. You understand? You say you just go and drop music and down the line. You don't know right now. You understand? Maybe it's the right time, maybe your fans say, yo, drop it and we're gonna support it. You understand? But it's like she's not really confident in herself. Is what me try to say? Cause you don't know when she dip on the stage and things, she entertain the people them. You see me? Entertain them, sing her music. You see me? Although some of the people them love see the body thing more while, you see me? But she still a do her thing. You see me? Yeah, she still a do her thing. But some of the time I say, yo, we know say that a your thing, but sometimes you can come in a long dress and kind of change up. You know, sometimes you know for make people expect say you're rare. You know, we know say round the big and every little thing and you see me? You don't know earthquake. See? But sometimes you can wear some dress like, you know, change up the flow, man. Make people say you change. Now make nobody always expect you that way there. Cause you have a song, you come out in your dress and you understand, make people see difference of you, man. More while. You see it, although people love see you so, but sometimes you switch it up. You see it surprise some people. When them see you walk out, they must say, yo, I should really see this. Make people look by you different some of the time. You know, say, oh, you usually dress. You dress with your body all out, your whole body a show and everything. Sometimes dress all in some long dress. Not really reach at your foot, but you know, some souls artists would come out and sing something. Yeah, cause you have the song them too, you can sing like souls and you come with your mic and every little thing. Yeah, man, sometimes you can change up the appearance. You understand? Yeah, change up the appearance some of the time. Yeah, but she's a good performer, people. Can't take that from her. You understand? But she needs to be confident in herself. Stop watch what other people are do. Do your thing. You understand? Believe in yourself. And that one of the thing with some of these female artists in Jamaica. Them watch each other. Some of them bring down each other. You understand? Because I limited of them. You see me? Cause if you check dancehall right now, you hardly can find a couple collab. Them not really that unite, but we know say woman and woman things stay already. You understand? And I feel like say Jada Kingdom could have do better because she's a good artist. But I feel like say, I don't know, it's like she does more love the go up on live thing. But that kind of would take away the people from the music. Because if you dip on the live and the people are ask you for music, and you just dip on the live and doubt yourself and
I
say,
need you to subscribe.
I don't want my album flap and way. You don't know because you don't put it out there yet. You understand? The people that maybe need a project, just put out some song and every little thing. You understand? So I just saw the thing said. So you need to be confident in yourself and just do something. Is what I'm trying to say, because this thing, the social media thing and the bag of drama and the controversial thing they go on, that kind of take away you from the music and just the things them where you do and all of them. Because something there, you understand? You will drift the people them from your actual music. You see me? But you need to believe in yourself. You understand? Believe your fans and every little thing. You see, believe in your fans. Your fans them say they want an album, drop an album. You see me? You don't know, just drop something. You don't know what could change in the long run or what could have happened in the long run. Maybe 5 of the songs them hit. Maybe it become a successful project. You don't know. You understand? Because it's rare for your artists. You know, female artists them, a majority of them do really do albums. You understand? But the top run of them like Shensia, Spice, Jada Kingdom. You understand? Them are the top artists them. You understand? So I feel like she could have do more. You understand? Jada Kingdom for do more. Because I see her other video the other day. And I can't believe that she really found out and say that. People look on the video.
As my artist go up and say, see the girl me I will up on them leg and I bite up them pants. My artist. Fuck off, now eat that. Look like button. I be pump around the ground, but be fuck on the ground over there. So a girl like me never give a fuck what them want to say. Any mood me depend on me go stage show that mood them me blood clotting and that's it. That's all me still I get paid. Me not broke my neck for no crowd on a business about me. They are busy boy for sure. All the man artists are alone them like. All the man artists.
She a say yo, the girls them like the female fans them, the way of them go on over male artists. You understand? Like she kind of feel a way about that. Like she said the fans them more gravitate to the male dancehall artists. Them you understand? I mean I say yo, channel. These are the same thing I talk about. Do your music, don't watch where you go on with other people because I realize most of the time when I see she come live, she always a talk about where another what happened to another artist, where another artist go through, all of them look at something there. You understand? And if you really focus on that, it will distract you from your project. Is what I try to say? You need to focus on your thing. Because this is the thing. Male more dominating at the space because the male them just are put in the work. Them a do them thing, them a collab. You understand? Them a put out them project, them not watch nobody. But an artist like you know, Jada. You know what your fans them a react to. Feed them artists and I go blame it the fans them say. Them only do that with other. Because female now go, you understand? Female now go and grab off of your foot or read it like that. And we understand. Them more gravitate. Remember say more woman is more than in the world right now. You understand? More woman in the world. I mean, you understand? More woman than man in the world. So if a man come on the stage, you gotta have more woman that rush off of him and all of them look at something there. You understand? We understand with that. No much man. And if you go on party, right? If you go a party people, I must say woman never there at the front. No one bag a man not there in the front. You understand? Them not go there at the front of the stage. A woman. So when a female artist come, them not go really like grab it her. You know, cause it's a female that.
I need you to subscribe.
Female prefer for man or woman, but the thing is that male artists more dominating a dancehall. There's a lot of male artists than female artists in a dancehall. You understand? So them are gonna really take over the space. But because the female artists them nah really focus on the music and a full effect. If they don't come with a controversial thing or in a people business or what your other artists do or the egoistic thing by not dealing with each other because this female artist, this a female artist for them personality this by just easy and doing them own a thing. You understand? Or them are watching another artist through them are do big and them not do big. You understand? Because woman ego kind of very high now. You understand? Because I don't know people like if you see how some group of girl in a one party, see? And you see all 3 girl walking. More while you see all them group of girl you watch 3 girl and I say if a girl here no look good or the girl slippers look too flabby, you hear them start, yo, want to that girl there? How are you look so? At this party them come? I saw them just come up, you know them start watch other females and every little thing. You understand? So the thing with Jada now, she just need to focus on her music, people. You understand? She's a good artist. You see me? And she feel confident in her work, believe in herself, you understand? And not really watch nobody. You see me? Put out music to your fans, it no matter. Just release music. You understand? And as me say, on stage present, sometimes you can switch it up. Make surprise people. Because when Jada fought on a stage, she always in one little skirt or all of them look something they shoe. Sometimes I say, alright, just switch it up, man. Like, just surprise the people, them like, come out look different than the usual. And people, of course, people are going to talk about it. Make people say you can versatile with your presence. You understand? Make people see that. Because sometimes you need to change. You can't just always, you have to balance the scale more while. You understand? You have to balance the scale. And all the while you can come out when you're fetish. You understand? Sometimes you have to come out like, more like a swords look. Like a more like a nice dress or something where, cover up your body. Like, because you have the song them, you have the vocals. So when people come out and see you sing, so I must say, no man, Jada change. You understand? This is another look women know. Sometimes you have to switch it up, surprise people more while. You understand? But you need to be more confident in your music. You see me? Yeah man, you need to be more confident. The bag of complain now go work. Sometimes you have to switch it up, man. The social media thing, you look at controversy and them, sometimes them think they kill the greed for the music. You understand? Because when you only show that person that side there alone, or show your fans that it's like when you drop your music, they don't really too want to see that more while because you always have to do this. So when you kind of balance the scale now, drop all the album. It no matter because you don't know where album will go, just drop it. People are going to listen to your song, man. You must hit. You see me? And anyone hit it, just drop your video feed. Yeah man, and just do your thing, just put out some project. It no matter. You understand? Remember say time not stop, you know. Time always a tick. So the moment you stop and dead and I wonder, John, no want me song flop, ray. Time a pass. You understand? Time now wait for nobody to just put out some work. Just go and put out some work. I saw you dominate the space, you know, 'cause if you are put out work and other artists now put out work, and you are going more dominate. But if you are watch them, it not go work. You understand? Nah go work. You see me? So you just need to be confident in yourself. You see it? Yeah, confident in yourself. You know you're the thing. You see me? Yeah man. But good artist. Yeah man, Jada Kim a good artist. She have some nice song and something. You see me? Yeah. But you don't know enough people. Media facts, you know. Yeah man. That is it.